Hello! In this video, we're going to be going over how to add Claude AI to your Unreal Engine projects so that it can help you create things. So I have Claude installed in my project right now, and I can ask Claude to add me a big cube to the middle of my level, and it will do that. Of course, AI doesn't get everything right, and I did give it a very simple command. Before we get started, I do recommend that you do have a bit of basic knowledge about Unreal Engine before you add AI, because AI can make mistakes and it can be helpful to know how things work. If that is the case, then I've created a complete free Unreal Engine beginner course that will teach you all of the essentials. You can find a link to that in the description of the video. With that being said, let's get into the video. Okay, first of all, this only works in Unreal Engine version 5.8. That is the latest version of Unreal Engine. You can download that from the Epic Games launcher. Once you have your project, we need to enable a few plugins. So we just want to go over to Edit, then Plugins, and we want to look for MCP. And we want to enable the Unreal MCP, just like yes. We also want to look for Terminal, and we want to enable this plugin, select yes. And we also want to look for Editor Toolset, so this one, and select yes. And then you can just restart your Unreal Engine project so that these plugins can take effect. Next, we want to just go over to our command, and we want to paste this command in. I will leave a link in the description of this video where you can just copy and paste this. Depending on the AI model you want to install, this last bit may be different. I will also attach the official Unreal Engine documentation that I'm following, but in my case I'm adding Claude, so this is the command I'm going to add. So I'm just going to select enter, and that will create me a JSON file, so that has worked correctly. Next, we just want to go over to Edit and then to Editor Preferences, and we want to go over to General, and we want to find the Model Context Protocol, and we just want to check this Auto Start Up Server, so it's going to start this up when we load our Unreal Engine projects. Then we just want to go over to Terminal, and we just want to go over here and add 3 startup commands. So these are going to be the commands it runs when our project loads. The first command is going to be this. I will leave a link in the description where you can copy and paste these commands. For the second command, it's going to be cd, and then you want to find wherever your Unreal Engine project is. In my case, my project is found here, and we can just go here and copy this. Then you just want to add a bracket, paste it here, and then add another bracket. And then here in the final line, we just want to type in Claude. Next, we need to install Claude onto our PC. To do this, you can just click the Windows button on your PC and look for command and open up the command prompt. And then I'll also leave a link to this in the description of the video. I'm on the Claude documentation website, and we just want to copy this one and just paste it here. Okay, so I've now installed Claude to my machine. We just want to keep note of this location, so just copy this. We're going to need this later on. Once you've done that, just press Windows and R on your keyboard to open up Shell and type in sysdm.cpl, then go OK. Go over to Advanced and then go over to Environment Variables, and we just want to go over to Path here and click Edit and then click New, and then just paste this, and then you can just remove the Claude.exe and just leave the bin. I've already done this. Once you've done that, close your Unreal Engine project in your Epic Games launcher and then open up your project again. Then you just want to go over to Tools, Terminal, and I guess it's just asking me if I trust Claude with this. I'm just going to say yes. And then I've already logged in, but you may need to just click enter again and then log in. Then once you've logged in, it should open it up here. And I do think you need the Claude Pro subscription in order to have access and run commands. But I'm just going to ask Claude to add me a big cube to my level. Add a big cube to the middle of my level. Okay, and Claude just added me a big cube to my level. And as another test, I could ask it to add me a rotating red cube somewhere else in the level. Okay, and let's see the result. Claude said it has done it. I'm just going to remove this black cube. Okay, and that is not working, so I guess maybe I could redefine that prompt. Okay, it does say mobility. Okay, so let me just select this cube, go over to details, and I'm gonna change it to movable. Okay, and now it's rotating, although for some reason it's no longer red. So I guess AI needs a bit of work, but it did seem to do it. Okay, that's all for this video. I do think you should understand the basics before you add AI to your project, because it can be a bit messy sometimes. So check out my free Unreal Engine beginner course to get you started on Unreal Engine if you are new. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!